Happy Wednesday. So hopefully some of you will get the notification that I am live, but hello everyone, happy Wednesday. My name is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're actually going to be doing some creating using a couple of new products from the holiday catalog, and we're also going to be using the Dashing Along Designer Series paper, which is an exclusive hostess offer for the month of September. So I'm going to show you that paper up close when I flip the camera around, and then I'll also give you a couple of ideas as to how you can earn this exclusive paper before the month is over. Hi, I see I have a few friends here. A couple of people are here. Thanks so much for joining me. So I am just going to let me get in here in my iPad as well, and we will flip the camera around and we'll get started. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it around and say hello if you're here. Okay, got it. Yay! All right, so this is the Dashing Deer bundle. So this is from the holiday catalog. And let me find it here in our catalog. That is, where is it? Here it is. So here's the bundle. They've got some gorgeous samples using the bundle here in the catalog. So some really great sentiments, and then you've got these cute little deer that you can stamp, and then the great dies that cut them out. So the little deer is just so pretty. It makes such elegant projects. I love it. So I have a little 3D treat bag planned for you today. We're going to actually be making this little treat bag today using this bundle. And then this is the Dashing Along Designer Series paper. So this paper is not in any of our catalogs. This is exclusive. This is a September Hostess exclusive. So you can earn this paper when you place either you personally place a $250 minimum order in my online store. You can get a package of this paper free, or what I suggest is that you go in with a few of your friends and you guys split up that $250 and you each place a smaller order. Maybe you and 4 friends, or you and 3 other friends go in together and you each place an order for $62.50, and then you can earn this paper along with some hostess rewards, and you guys can split all of that and split the designer series paper. So it's a great way to earn the paper if you go in with friends. But so it's double-sided. There are 12 by 12 sheets in the package. So you've got these 3 designs, which I love this one. This one's so pretty. I love that. And then you've got these 3 designs. So you get 4 of each of these sheets. So really pretty paper. So we're going to use this paper today. And so let's go ahead and get started with the project. So I'm going to be using one of these cute little bags. So these bags are in the catalog, the holiday catalog. These are called Santa's bags. So you get 8 of these bags in a package. Really, really cute. I really like them. And they've got this cute little, what do you call this? Where you can cinch it. I don't know what you call that, but they've got that there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and I wanna do the die cutting first. So I'm gonna bring in my Big Shot here. And I've got some soft suede cardstock, and then I've got some real red cardstock here that we're gonna be die cutting on. So let me get my dies and get that Big Shot in here. So I've got my Big Shot here. This is the magnetic platform. I've got one cutting plate on top. I'm gonna go ahead and put down my soft suede cardstock. And these dies actually cut really, really easily. I did not need to use my precision base plate. Honestly, I don't like to use the precision base plate. I don't like how it warps my cutting plates, so I don't use it very often, but I found if you crank this through twice, you're good to go. So on the dies, what's really cool is you have a ton of these little flower thank you, Sharon. Drawstring bag. Yes. I'm like, what is that called? I could not remember. Drawstring bag. Thank you. What's cool about these dies is you've got several of the little flowers, which I love because if you're making a ton of Christmas cards, you don't want to have to keep running this image through over and over, these tiny little images. So it's really cool that there are 4 of the detailed flower dies, and then there are 3, maybe there's 4. Hopefully I didn't lose one, but I only count 3 here. I've been working with this set, so I don't know if maybe I dropped one or if there really are only 3 of these, but you've got a few of those as well. So we're gonna cut one of the solid ones out of some real red, and then we're gonna cut one of the detailed ones. Now in the designer series paper, it's actually cherry cobbler and garden green, but I'm using real red just for like a different pop of color, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my cutting plate on top, and I'm gonna crank this through 2 times. So run it through once, and then I'm just going to run it back. And hopefully that cut. Let me just make sure. Yay, I can feel it. Okay, so what I wanna do next, before we stamp, I actually want to, I've got these pearlized doilies. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these out because I want the glue, I'm gonna glue this down, and I want the liquid glue to go ahead and have a chance to dry. So where is it? Where is it? Okay, so I've got this little piece of that designer series paper. This is the side with the words. So I've gone ahead and cut this down to 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches square. And I'm gonna take my little pearlized doily. Hi, Shelly. Hi, I love the deer too. I'm gonna take my little pearlized doily and just lay it down like that. And I'm gonna adhere it with some liquid glue, okay? So I want to go ahead and do this now so that it has a chance to kind of start drying. So just adding a little bit of glue. And I'm not adding glue all the way around because only a little bit of it's going to be on the square. Actually, we're going to cut it down. So that should be enough glue. And actually, let me get some scratch paper because I don't want to get glue on my table. All right, so let's go ahead and just glue that right there. Should be good. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna let this set to the side and dry, and then I'll go ahead and stamp. So I'm gonna bring in my little reindeer, just bring him in, and we're gonna stamp this little image from the stamp set. So this image is really cute. You could actually put this like on the back of an envelope flap. It would look really cute there. We're gonna stamp this just to add some decoration to his little neck or her little neck. So I've got some early espresso ink here. I'm just gonna ink this up. And I'm just gonna come right here on the neck and stamp that one time there, ink it up again, rotate my stamp around, and I'll just stamp one more time. Okay, isn't that pretty? So that just jazzes up the reindeer just a little bit. And I like the early espresso on there. You could also just do soft suede on soft suede, but I like how dark the early espresso looks on there. So go ahead and put this away. Come on. There we go. Then I'll bring in my cherry cobbler. We're gonna stamp the sentiment in cherry cobbler. So I've got some Whisper White cardstock here. And I'm gonna stamp the Happiest Christmas Wishes sentiment. I'm gonna stamp that. This project is really quick and easy, super easy to make. Okay, so we've got that. And that's all of the stamping that we're gonna do. That's it, yeah. All right, so set that to the side, move this out of the way. Try to keep it neat and tidy. Okay, so now what I wanna do, oh, you know what? I should have gone ahead and glued these two pieces together just so that it could have time to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and on my flower, I'm just gonna kind of lift it a little bit, give it some dimension, lift those sides. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of liquid glue, and then I'm gonna offset this tiny little flower, set it right in that liquid glue. Yeah, perfect. So we'll give that a little time to dry. And if you see that that liquid glue is showing, that's okay, it'll dry clear. Okay, so we'll just put that to the side. All right, so now what I wanna do is I'm gonna cut this sentiment because I actually only want the Christmas and wishes. I don't want the happiest. So I'm just going to hand cut this out. Okay, so I got my Christmas wishes cut out, and then I'm going to actually separate Christmas and wishes as well. All right, so let me move this out of the way. Okay, so now I think we're ready to start putting everything together. So I'm going to take this piece and go ahead and snip off the extra here. It's dried for the most part here, so just cut off the extra overhang of your doily. So then you've just got that little bit of that pearlized doily in the background. So just a little extra added detail to the project. Okay, so let's throw that away. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get some dimensionals on the back of my deer and also my sentiment. So I'm gonna use a mix here of mini dimensionals and a couple of the regular ones. So for the sentiment, just the minis, and then I'll do 2 for the body. One there, that should be good. Okay, and then I'll put dimensionals on there in a second. All right, so let's go ahead and get the reindeer put down. Just gonna take these backings off. Alrighty, so for my little reindeer, I'm gonna kind of put it at an angle like this. And it's gonna kind of hang off of this square. So just like that. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. And then let's go ahead and add on the sentiment. So we'll do Christmas. And I'm going to line the sentiment up with the right side of the edge of the square. So just line it right up to that. And then get my backings off of wishes. Okay, and do the same thing with wishes. But I'm gonna leave a little gap between Christmas and wishes. Right there. Okie dokie. Okay, so I'm gonna bring in my drawstring bag here. So cute. And then, what did I wanna do next? So then I've got another piece of that Dashing Along Designer Series paper. So this piece I cut down just slightly, like a hair less than 2 inches by 4.5 inches. And then I've got my banner triple punch here. I'm just gonna slide this in and banner it. Just like that. There we go. Okay. So we are going to take this and add a couple of dimensionals. Just put them down the middle because you don't want them to hang off of the banner. So I'm just going to put them down the middle. And then we'll center this up on our banner. Put it right about there. Okay. Then this is going to get clipped on to our bag, just to the front part of our bag, and I'm going to use one of our gold library clips. I love these clips. I love them. I'm so glad that these carried over in the annual catalog. I love these. Okay, so I'm just going to clip that right on, and actually I want to kind of angle this little tag. Angle it just like that. Clip it back on. Okay, and then let's just add this little embellishment to our deer here. So I'm going to do that with a glue dot. Just add this right on with a glue dot, just right here. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. Just add that right on, and if your flower kind of got a little smush, just raise it back up. Okay, so now I've got some of our basic rhinestones here. I'm going to take one of the large rhinestones and we're just going to add that to the center. Bling up this little reindeer. Put that right there. Press it down. And there we go. That's it. That is it, you guys. Let me clear all of this out of the way here. Let me just move some stuff around. Okay. Move that. I don't know where my dies went. I'll move this out of the way. Close up my glue. Okay, so that's it. That finishes up this little project. Isn't that so cute? I think it is just so cute. I love it. Such a cute little treat bag. You can fit a good amount of little candies. You could do a gift card and some candies, some tea. I mean, you could put a lot of different things in here. Jewelry. Just a cute, cute, cute little bag. I love it. And then I did make a card, so I want to share this card with you. Thanks, Sharon. Yeah, I know. Sometimes you have to see it in person. Much bigger than you might think they are. Thanks, Shelly. So yeah, these bags are, let me measure them. 4 inches by 5 inches. So they're 4 by 5, and you can fit quite a bit in there. Much bigger than they might seem in the catalog. So super cute. And then I made this cute little card. Hi, Marianne. Yay, you're here with me live. So then I made this cute little card. Isn't that pretty? Very simple to do. Just die cut the deer out of the center of your Whisper White and put some more of that designer paper behind it. But isn't that cute? Very, very cute. And then I just added some of, this is actually the ribbon from the tea room suite. Just added that on there. And then these little copper rhinestones I shared with you guys last week, a little tutorial, a photo tutorial of how to heat emboss your rhinestones. So those are some of the heat embossed copper rhinestones that I did last week. So I just added those on there to tie the copper in with the ribbon. But another really cute project using this bundle, the Dashing Deer bundle, and then the Dashing Along designer series paper. So super cute. And then, like I was talking about with that stamp set, with that long stamp right there, you can use it on your envelope flap. So see, I added it right there on the flap, so it just kind of decorates your flap really nicely. And then, of course, you know, don't send any naked envelopes in the mail. Always want to jazz up your envelope. So there we go, 2 super cute projects using this bundle, also combined with that Dashing Along designer series paper. So quick and easy. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed. So let me flip the camera back around really, really quickly. That's it. Super, super cute. So I hope y'all had fun. I had a great time. I'm going to be doing another live. Wednesdays will be my day. And I'm still kind of testing out times too, but I'm going to do another live next week. Next Wednesday, we'll do our Paper Pumpkin live. My Paper Pumpkin kit shipped today. I'm so excited to see this kit, the Halloween themed September kit. So next Wednesday, same time, 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. Join me back here. And if you've never shopped with me before, I would love for you to. I do have my shopping link just above the live video. And then if you're watching the YouTube replay, because I am going to post this on YouTube, it'll be down below. Okay, awesome, Marianne. Thanks. All right, thanks so much for joining me today, you guys, and I'll be back soon. I'll talk to y'all later. Let me know if you have any questions about anything, okay? Bye, you guys. Have a great Wednesday. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.